on. Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If I haven't met you yet, my name is Allison Lang and today I'm going to be talking to you about my Luxy hair extensions. And no, I'm not wearing them yet because I wanted to do a full-blown tutorial on how I put them in, why I choose Luxy, and how I style my hair. So stick around. I have been wearing hair extensions for as long as I can remember. And I'm so excited to share with you that I'm actually an affiliate with Luxy Hair now, so I will add my link down below. I honestly think the reason why I love Luxy hair extensions so much is not only because of the quality of hair that you're getting, but also their customer service is fantastic. I swear anytime that I try to email them or get a hold of them via DM, they always respond. And honestly, they made getting my extensions less scary. For me, I was always nervous to order extensions online because how the hell are you gonna even match it to your hair if you don't get to try them first? Their team will help you with a color match. They'll ask you to take a selfie by the window in natural lighting with no filter so they can see the true color of your hair. And I mean, they're trained in this, so like leave it to the pros. They helped me match my color, which I would say is pretty dang spot on. And I'm sure you're thinking, what if I get my extensions in the mail and it doesn't match my hair? I had the same fear, but when you open up your box for the first time, they actually put a color sample wef in the top. So before you open up all your extensions, because you can't return them when you open them all up, you can use this test sample to be sure that it blends well with the natural color of your hair. And if it doesn't match, you can send it back and they'll try to color match your hair again and send you another set. So don't mind my hair extensions. They look much better than this when you first get them, but I just actually freshly washed my hair extensions. Kudos to me, I don't wash them that often. I actually find that the quality of the hair lasts longer when you wash them less. And my hair extensions, I've had a set from Luxy last me a year and a half, 2 years even. I probably would have kept using them, but I was like, no, it's time. If you're wondering what color I wear the neutral. I'm just gonna wait a minute for the sirens. Welcome to living downtown Montreal. If you're wondering which hair extensions and color I wear the 20-inch seamless neutral brown in the 180 grams. And honestly, I don't wear all of them every day. They send so many pieces, and as you can see, my hair is a little bit longer now, although this is my natural hair. It's really fine. You can see it here, it's so thin. So I basically wear hair extensions to add volume to my hair because it is so thin. And if you look on my Instagram, I wear my extensions for almost all my photos. I also model sometimes, and when I go on set, I take them with me. And the hair and makeup people are always excited just to add some volume to my hair. Luxy hair extensions are also non-damaging. I love these clips. I find they hold in so well. It's also made with 100% Remy hair. And if you don't know what Remy hair is, it's just where it's like the highest grade extension hair that you can use. It's all real hair and it has like the cuticle still on it, so it's way better. And I will show you what they include in the box. So they send you 2 pieces with 4 clips. They're a little bit different sizing, so you can place them at different positions in your head. I kind of have, I've been doing the same thing for years, so I'll show you how I insert them in a second. They send you two of the 3 clip, 2 of the 2 clip, and typically I set them on the side of my head just because a lot of them sit at the back that I want to bring more volume to the front. And then they send you, I only have 2 pieces. I'm pretty sure it came with 4. I think I left 2 on set somewhere, but just the single strands just to add in where you want to add length. So let's put these in. So I usually start at the nape of my neck. So just below the tips of my ears is where I'll part it. Let some hair hang. So I do it in layers. hard to do when I'm looking in the camera. Ah. So I was told that you can back comb like the nape of your hair if the hair extensions aren't holding. One thing that I do, because I don't really like to back comb my hair just gets really knotty really easily, I just basically take the clip and I rock it back and forth at the scalp, and then I find that it kind of holds a little bit better. So that's just what I do instead of actually back combing. Or another thing that you can do is actually hairspray or use dry shampoo right at the scalp, and the hair extensions hold so much better. Look at this crazy volume. So this is the after, and let's quickly look at the before again. Oh my God, I forgot to share another reason why I love wearing hair extensions, especially with fine straight hair. My natural hair does not hold a curl at all. So I find when I add even like 1 or 2 pieces of my hair extension, it holds the curl for so much longer. Like I can wear that curl day into the night and my hair still looks amazing. I won't bore you with the hairstyling too much. I'm not like a huge pro at hair. I basically just add like a little bit of curl and wave with my hair straightener by just twisting. So I will quickly curl my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is how they look curled. I don't leave them like this. I just really wanted to show you that they hold a lot of curl, which is great. And honestly, I actually travel with my hair extensions. A lot of people don't know why, because it's just more work when you're backpacking. But my reason is I can curl them before my trip and they hold the curl that whole time. So if I want to put my hair in a ponytail or just add in some volume, I am adding some natural looking wave to my hair instantly without having to spend time doing my hair while on the road. Okay, and I've been recommended the Luxy brush for my extensions for so long. It like helps detangle them, and I am gonna invest in it soon, but I actually just use like a wide pick comb to run through because it doesn't tear them, and I just like loosen up the curl a little bit so it turns more into like a subtle wave. This is like my signature. Okay. And voila. I'll show you the back too. Aren't they just amazing? So another question that I sometimes get is, okay, Allie, you have really long hair. Of course, they blend really well, but I haven't always had long hair. If you go check out my Instagram again, I used to have really short hair, and honestly, these are non-damaging. Like my hair has grown over the years, even while wearing extensions, which is amazing. And I found I wore more extensions when I had shorter hair just because you want to blend them better. And now that I have longer hair, I can get away with wearing like 1 or 2 pieces just to add volume. But right now I have almost all of them in. I think I left 2 or 3 pieces out, but this is what it looks like. But if you are on the fence about investing into some good quality hair extensions, I would highly recommend Luxy. And yet again, I will put my link down below. I just love their products so much and they last me such a long time. And if you have any more questions, write them down in the comments and I will try to answer them in some other videos. And because I always forget to say this, if you enjoyed this video, I'd love if you stuck around, so please hit the subscribe button. And see you next time.